how to send a comment to your friends on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send comments to your friends on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, choose the video you want. And now click on comments and choose the video you want. For example, let's choose the first one. All you need to do is keep clicking on the screen and you're gonna find those options. And you have the second option, which is send to friends. Click on it. And here you can send this video to your friends and you can write a message with it. And click on send once you are done. And you're gonna send this video with your message to your friends. Easy and quick. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.